Hey, my name's Ethan. I'm a senior business student specializing in mass communications. Really excited to be here. So I'm the co-director of the Connections Committee in the AI² Center Student Club. We're here in Orlando at the AI² Summit. It's so important that we bring all these people together to see what's working, what's not working, sharing best practices. Co-founder of NVIDIA, Chris Malachowski, his keynote speech was very inspiring. As someone who had been hearing about AI, I was trying to figure out how I wanted to get involved. So I went to AI Days, I met the president of the AI Club, and immediately I was very inspired by the mission. Became a very active member. And being at this conference has just reinstilled the importance of what we're doing here. And I feel so much more prepared for the future now that I get to be part of these conversations. Going to these professional conferences have been extremely impactful. Just being able to network with these industry insiders, I've been able to gain such important perspectives on where the world is headed, what I can do to get ahead. Going into this job market, I've been focusing on building up my AI skills. I have recruiters reaching out to me all the time because they're so excited that I have the business acumen, I have the communication skills, but I also have the technical knowledge. And these things together are just absolutely critical moving into this world. And I'm really excited to get out there and make a name for myself.